Hello there, welcome to this tutorial. If you've ever wanted an easy way to keep track of your travels, or maybe just to show off where you've been, then Polarsteps might be your new favorite app. I'm going to walk you through how it works step by step. On the dashboard, the first thing you probably notice is this rotating globe. You can swipe around it or zoom in. It's like your very own travel map. It will highlight everywhere you've been once you start to add trips, and it looks pretty cool. Down at the bottom, we've got our main menu. Let's start with me. This is your personal travel hub. You can see the countries you've visited, the people you follow, your followers, and even write a little bio. To get started, just tap Add a Trip. Once your trip is created, you'll be able to add some more details, like the stops you make, dates, notes, and photos. It's basically a travel journal. Next up, you have guides. This section is perfect when you're planning. You can search for destinations and find travel guides written by others. It's perfect for getting ideas or tips about places you're planning to visit. Under Activity, you can see what your travel buddies are up to. If you follow people, their latest trips will show up here. You can find and follow new travelers by tapping the little plus icon at the top. If you want to share your own profile, it's super easy. Just hit Invite Friends and send your link to friends and followers. Now, let's check out notifications. This is where Polarsteps keeps you updated. Maybe someone started to follow you, commented on your trip, or you got a reminder to plan a journey. You'll get notified here. Finally, there's Explore. Here's where you find inspiration. You'll first meet the Editor's Choice carousel. This is a selection of travel routes and experiences handpicked by the app's travel editors. View themed collections like beach spots, food cities, or road trip routes. These collections are organized by continent. You can also find inspiring travelers to follow, kind of like travel influencers but way more down to earth. Now, let's head back to me and plan a future trip. Click on Add a Trip and select the first option, then tap Continue. Type in your destination in the search bar and select it when it pops up. You can add several destinations if you want to. You'll name your trip, add trip dates and summary. If you're traveling with friends, you can add them to the trip. Everyone you add will see the trip on their profile and be able to add stories and photos. If your friends are not on Polarsteps, send them an invite. You'll need to grant Polarsteps access to your location so you can track your trip. You can also control who sees this trip. Now, before we wrap up, don't forget the settings icon at the top of your homepage. This is where you handle privacy, like who can follow you, change units from miles to kilometers, switch your map style, and even connect with support if needed. So that's how you use Polarsteps. It's simple to use, super visual, and honestly, kind of addictive once you start tracking your trips. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and happy traveling.